Welcome to Mifra Tech. This is a model of smart energy saving system. In this we have used Arduino Uno. This one is a 2-channel relay. This one is AC dimmer. This is a power junction. We are taking 5 volts from a microcontroller and we are distributing to all the modules. This is LCD display and we have used I2C interface. We have placed IR sensor, 2 IR sensors, one for in and one for out, to indicate whether the person is getting in or going out. We have used LDR sensor. This is a bulb just to indicate the home appliance. This is the power meter, and we have used a fan as another power appliance. So let's see the working. When you power up the Arduino, you can see in the beginning in LCD display number of people in indicated as in, number of people out indicated as out, and the units which is being drawn in the home. So as soon as the one person gets in, you can see one is being displayed on the LCD. As soon as the person goes out, the out count is 1, indicating there's no one inside the room. So this module works whenever a person gets in and whenever a person goes out. So the light intensity is controlled using LDR. When it's too dark, the brightness of the bulb will be more. Whenever there's a large intensity falling on the LDR, the light goes off. We have used a temperature sensor to read the temperature. Based on the temperature, the fan speed will be controlled. So we have set a limit for the fan. Whenever the temperature is more than 32 and whenever it's below 40, the fan speed will be controlled and it triggers the relay. Let's go to the code. This is the code which I have written for this model. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe Mifra Tech for more ideas.